we just did the video about the media library, and there's an important addition I need to make to that post. So first of all, rather than starting on the dashboard, I'm already here in the media library, and here are all of our images. And we talked in the other video about adding from Flickr. Let's just do that one more time. There's a couple of details I wanted to add. So Flickr, FLICKR.com, and we go there. And this is what the home page looks like. You can set up an account. As you can see, I have one. It's free, and you can store a crazy large amount of photos. Also for, I think, 25 bucks a year, you can have a pro account and save even more photos online. It's a really handy way to manage your photos. And they have something called a photo stream, and that's all of the pictures that you have taken. You can set stuff to private or public and have them be searchable, etc. So for our purposes, for getting images, we're going to go to flickr.com/search, and this is a search page, and we want photos. I like the advanced search, so I want medium, I want commercial use, and for some reason it doesn't want me to put my, let's go back. Okay, so you got to type your words here. So let's see, let's look up a cute kitten just for fun. Okay, cute kittens. So once you do that, then you can choose your license. So I want commercial use allowed because I'm going to put it on my business website, and I'm going to say, oh, let's see, all the sleeping kitten, he's cute, but these guys are cute too. So I like this image. I want to give credit to the photographer. So I go from the www to the / before in and Control C. Alternately, you can right click and copy that bit. And let's see if you can see it. This is the photographer. This is information about the photo itself. And here you can say it says some rights reserved. If you click on that, they explain what the different Creative Commons rights are for you. We already said we wanted it to be, free for commercial use, so that's fine. So let's download the picture. I'll take the medium size, and here it is in my downloads file. And I can go back here, and let's say I'm writing a new post, add new, and I want to have a post about cute kittens. Good thing I'm not going to publish this because the owner of this website would be properly amused. Okay, so I'm in the visual editor. I want to add media. Oops, my folder disappeared. So I'm going to drag this photo in here. And the title, this is the title that it was given in Flickr. And that's, if I ever want to search for it again, that's awkward. So I'm going to take this and change it to cute kittens, and that will change. Alt text, I'm going to say 2 adorable kittens looking at camera. And then in the description, I'm going to paste that link that I copied, and I'm going to insert this into post. And if I want to, I can tell it, which way I want it to be aligned. And also, here's a critical point. I like it to link to nothing. You don't need extra and unnecessary links in your WordPress posts. The search engines can tend to frown on that, so we're not going to do that. So say alignment, let's say we'll align it center, link to none, and you can choose what size. So if you want it full size in your post, you can choose that right there and click insert. Now, here I have a very cute picture. Now, after the picture, I want to type some words, and I'm going to say I love cute kittens, and I might write a whole post about kittens, etc. Now, at the end of the post, it is important to go ahead and give credit to the photographer. You'll notice I still have the Flickr page open to that. And here's what I do. I say image courtesy of, let's go find out what his name is, James Ragg, and that's how he likes himself called. So image courtesy of James Ragg. let's see, image courtesy of James Reg via Creative Commons license, some rights reserved. Okay, now if I was doing this in the text, it would do a little bit different. But so now I want James Reg to be linked. So I'm going to go back over here, and this time I'm going to click on the entire. See, that link is too long. So let's go back. For some reason, Flickr made it so now when you have this here, it's just crazy. So I go again, the whole link up till that slash before the in. Copy that and go back over here. So I highlighted James Reg, and now I want to make a link. So I click Insert, Edit Link, and I paste in the link. The text will be him, and I'm going to open it in a new window or tab. So if they click on that, it opens in the next tab over, and they don't move away from your site. And then I'm going to click Add Link. Now I'm going to highlight this whole thing, and I want it to be very small like that. So I'm going to choose heading 6, and that makes it just a little bit smaller and you know, not as obtrusive, but I still have linked to him. Now there's one thing that you cannot do in the visual editor. So you have to pop over here to the text editor, and you can see it says image courtesy of blah blah blah. See where it says target equals blank underscore blank? That's the command to open in a new window. Right before that, you need to type this in: rel, R-E-L, equals, double quotes, no follow, all one word, double quote again. So right there, that's what I typed in: rel equals no follow. And this is a really important thing for you to do when you are blogging. When you're linking to images, we want to give them credit, but we don't want to give them search engine credit. So we're going to no follow most links. If you link out like crazy to everyone, Google can actually come along and punish you for that. And I speak from painful experience. So we never do that unless it is something that you would personally recommend. So that's just the rule. You want to add rel equals no follow to any link unless it is something that you are personally familiar with and recommend. So let's view the post so you can see how it looks. So a post about cute kittens. There it is. I love cute kittens. Okay, so that came out a little bit bigger than I would prefer. Let me show you. Normally, again, I told you I operate here. So rather than H6, I do small. And then at the end. And you don't have to do this a different size. It is completely and totally up to you. I just saved draft. So let's view post. See if that did any better. Yeah, see, now it's small. So that's up to you. It can be the same size as the rest of your font. That's no big deal. I like it to be a little bit smaller because it's more of a footer attribution than anything else. So it is important, if you're getting a picture from someone else, to link to them using a no-follow link so that there is proper credit. And if I click on that, it goes right to that image in a new window. And that way he's getting credit for his work, and I'm honoring any and all possible copyright issues and not getting anyone into trouble. So a rather long discussion on how to manage photo attributions in WordPress, but definitely important.